Very good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. So today you are going to learn how to prepare a beautiful cat with paper, and that's called paper origami. And here is your cat. Cute, no? I have made one another type of also. See? Okay, so you can make any of them. जो भी आपको easy लगे वो आप बना सकते हैं. Okay. So follow the instructions told in the video and you will create a beautiful cat for yourself. Okay? So send me pictures soon. So first of all, you need to take a yellow sheet or orange sheet and then take a pencil and scale and draw a line like this. You have to leave this much space. Make a straight line like this, okay? And then take a scissor and cut it. Okay, now we will keep this part here. What you have to do is take this tip here, okay, and join it here. And crease it properly. Okay, this is what you have to do first. First step is this. Now open this. Okay, you can see here we have created one crease. Now leave this much area. See, this one is the earlier crease and we will leave this much area and we will again fold it like this. So now we have two crease here. Okay, what you have to do is now you have to make it stand like this and you will get the idea that how much you have to bend it and you have to again crease it here. Okay, like this. So we have to create 3 crease, one in the center, then again यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा गैप and then यहाँ हल्का सा कम उसके according and यहाँ crease and then you have to bend it like this. और आपको समझ आ जाएगा जब ये टच हो जाएगा तो उतना बाकी का एरिया आप ऐसे crease कर देंगे. ओके, now what you have to do is take a Fevicol and you can see here the one crease which is touching here. इसको हम थोड़ा सा Fevicol लगा देंगे and you have to paste it like this, but you don't have to paste this area. Okay, you just have to paste it like this. See, right? We have pasted this much. Now we will take a pencil and आपको ऐसे 2 लाइंस बनाने हैं. वन उतना ही, सेकेंड, ठीक है, and like this, like this. Okay, now with the help of scissor we will cut this. यहाँ से आप जब कट करेंगे तो थोड़ा ध्यान से Okay, look. So yeah, this part is ready like this, right? Now जो आपके पास रेजिड्यू बचा था यहाँ से कट करने के बाद उसमें you have to draw a straight line like this, but not that thin and not that thick. इतना, okay? Now you have to cut it. And remove these parts. Now you have to take a pencil and you have to roll it a bit. We are creating here cat's tail. Okay, see, now with the help of Fevicol, put some Fevicol here and paste the tail here. Nice. See, now take a black sketch and you have to make cat's face on this area. Okay, so you have to keep it like this. See your catty's face, cute no? Now on hands you have to create little bit of fingers like this, right? And you have to add its ears also. Okay, so for ears what you are going to do, you had these parts, right? We will take one and we will fold it like this and we will draw its ears. You have to draw it like this. Okay, now we will cut it. We have two ears here. Take black sketch and अंदर का पार्ट हम ब्लैक कर देंगे ऐसे. Now again take some Fevicol and put it here and paste catty's ears here. Nice. See, our catty is ready. Cute, no? Now we will try another type of catty. So for second type of cat, you need to take two colors of sheet, one dark and one light. Okay, so I'm taking it here purple and yellow. So what you have to do is, आपको सबसे पहले डार्क शीट लेनी है. Then you have to take his scale and a pencil, and you have to leave this much space and draw a line. Okay, now cut this line. So we have this part here. Now what you have to do is you have to roll it like this. ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं करना है, बस इतना. Okay, and with the help of फेविकॉल paste it. Okay, so we have pasted this. Now keep this part here. Now take this purple sheet and draw a line like this. Cut it. Now you have this and you have to make a cone. आपको क्या करना है, ये वाला ऐसे हाथ से इसको इस तरीके से मोड़ना है और आपको एक आइसक्रीम का कोन बनाना है, लाइक दिस. ओके, you can take your mama's help also in this. Now with the help of फेविकॉल we will paste it. Hold it for a while. Okay, so our cone is ready. Now what you have to do, आपको इसको नीचे से बराबर करना है ताकि ये स्टैंड हो पाए. ओके, see, it's standing, right? So our two parts are ready. Okay, now take the rest of the purple sheet, fold it like this and draw cat's ears. तो आपको ears कैसे बनाने हैं, ऐसे और ऐसे. ओके, cut it. Two ears are here. Now what you have to do, our three parts are ready. ये आपका फर्स्ट स्टेप है. एक शीट में से आपको ये पार्ट्स रेडी करने हैं. Now keep them aside. Take yellow sheet and now सबसे पहले आपको you have to fold it like this and you have to cut it this much strip. ओके, अभी आप इसे फोल्ड करेंगे लाइक दिस. ओके, नाउ टेक अ पेंसिल and you have to draw eyes first of all. So ये टू शीट्स हैं. आप सब कुछ एक एक बनाओगे बट आप जब इसे कट करोगे तो आपको दो मिल जाएंगी. ओके, सो I am drawing here that is one eye. Okay, one eye is ready now, and take this and trace it here. और इसका एक छोटा पार्ट बनाना है. ओके, नाउ this much. And now catty's tail. So you have to draw these things, right? Now we will cut it. टेल हमें एक ही चाहिए तो हम एक साइड में रख देंगे। आइज, okay, see we have got 2 eyes here, right? Now ईयर्स का जो पार्ट था उसे भी हम कट कर लेंगे। ओके, सो दिस इज इट, राइट? नाउ टेक सम फेविकॉल एंड टेक दीज ईयर्स, पुट सम फेविकॉल हियर एंड join it here like this. Okay, do same with this part. Take your catty, put some Fevicol here, paste the ears, okay, ears are done. Now take black marker and we have to draw little circles here for catty's eyes, right? Now again take some Fevicol, take one eye and you have to paste these eyes like this, not straight, like this, okay? Now take any other color and cut nose of the catty. Like this, a small triangle, and paste it here. Now we are keeping tail aside, and these parts you have to make catty's mustaches like this. Take scissor and trim it this much. Right? Now take one paper and cut a small smile. Now what you have to do, you have to take this triangle, put some Fevicol here, and you have to paste this face here. थोड़ा सा आपको प्रेस करना पड़ेगा and you have to hold it for a while. See, like this. Okay. Now at the back you have to put some Fevicol and you have to paste this tail like this. Okay. See, your catty is ready. So you have made today two catties, two type of catties. One this one, and this one. So you can make any one of them, जो भी आपको easy लगे. And if you want to make both of them, it's your choice. So now it's your turn to prepare your own cat. All the best. So this is how you prepare a beautiful cat. Okay. So I'm sure every one of you will be making these cats. Yes? Okay. Take care until we meet next time.